back to my channel. It's been a minute, okay? I got school going on. I got on and off work shifts going on here and there. I got the dance team at schools going on, like life going on. There's a lot going on. So, but I am back with a unboxing try on haul. I kind of already like unboxed already. But I am going to show y'all what I got. And I got some clothes from RomWe. I don't know if that's how you say it, but maybe I'll turn it the other way. Y'all can kind of read it, but yeah. That's where I got my clothes from. So I got like a bunch of stuff. I don't know, but y'all will see I got a bunch of stuff basically, and I'm just gonna show y'all. So I'm gonna show first, and then I'm gonna put them on so I can just, you know, show you how they fit on me, whatever, and put them on the side. Everything I got is pretty much a medium for the most part. If there's anything that's a different size, I'll put it on a thing, but on a video. But everything is like a medium that I got. I am 140 pounds. I'm like 5'2", 5'3", 5'4", because my doctors don't know which one it is. So, you know, but yes. So, I'm just gonna start off. So, I got this skirt. I feel like I got this because I feel like this will look so cute with, like, I got this white turtleneck. You know, turtleneck season coming up soon, so, you know, but I feel like this will look really cute with, like, a turtleneck and some ankle boots, or, like, some cute, like, knee highs or, like, thigh highs, whatever, depending on how much they come up. And, yeah, but, so this is a skirt. This is also a skirt. Let me see. Everything is a medium, right? I don't know, but this is a skirt. And it's got 2 pockets in the front. You see them? So, yes, I feel like this would go cute with like a white or black, like, plain shirt, possibly. Maybe like a black cute, like, blazer that's not like business blazer, but like a nice little casual cute blazer, with some ankle boots, you know. But yeah, and like a cute, like, hat. So yes, this shirt I got, y'all, I just got off the phone with my man's, right? And I was showing him everything first. This my stuff is unboxed, so I want to show him. But so I show him how, you know, you gotta wear it right. Cause I told him, I'm like, it's not a jacket, it's a shirt. Like, you know, do your thing, and then tie it here, and it just be like open-ish right there. And he was like, where you going in that? You know, when we go out, you know, you can take my pictures, look cute, but I got this though. Super cute. It's like 2-3 things in here that I'm not gonna really show. I might show, I don't know, but I probably won't. This is so cute. And then, like, on the inside, like, let me tell you, the inside is so soft. So soft. But this is sweater shirt, sweater, and it says babe. So can't wait to wear that. Then I got this jacket. I like kind of like old school looking stuff, but I got this jacket. It look nice with some light ripped jeans, not too ripped up, and some cute ankle boots, whatever. I need to get some ankle boots. I need to go shopping for boots, period. So that might be the next little thing, you know. This right here, I can't wait to wear this. So I got this long sleeve. It's not a sweater, I don't believe, but got this long sleeve and it says Brat. I wish it said Brats for like Bratz doll, because Bratz dolls over Barbie dolls any day. This is a skirt. I feel like this might be too big. Wait, let me see. I don't know. It's a possibility, but I mean it might fit fine. The plus about getting your clothes a little bit bigger, like you can always go get them altered to fit you. This is a crop top sweater ish thing, whatever, but yeah. So this is another skirt. Got a lot of skirts, but it's got a slit right here. So, and I mean, I'm from Georgia, right? I'm from Georgia, and I don't know. I just thought this was kind of cute, so I got this. So it's not, I don't think it's just a sweater. It's thick material, but I think it's just a long sleeve shirt. And then I got this jacket. It's 4 different colors. So the hood is yellow, Waffle House yellow, and you know you got your different colors right here. So I just thought it's kind of cute. I like the different type of color vibe, old school vibe type of stuff. And this is a sweater sweater, but this is what I got. And it's got like little, this not fringes, but you know, little curl up little section, whatever. I got 2 free things. You keep getting points with them and whatever, and you know everything works out that way. So, but I got this. I can, yeah. These are booby covers, nipple covers. And I got to pick. So this was actually 55 cents, but and this was free, but just just some makeup brushes, pretty much. And then I got this 3-piece like lounge set ish, whatever, you know. But these are the pants, and at the bottom it's got like this little design down there. I'm not gonna put that on though. And then it comes with shorts as well. Y'all know what type of 3-piece set this is. And this is the top. I feel like this might be, I don't know, we'll see. Checking my messages. And I'll show it. I'll show it. I got a little cute, you know, little set, you know. But yeah, so I don't know. I want to show it, but no, I don't, because like, anyways. But this is the top, and this is the bottom. So Where's my other thing at? Oh, snap. Okay, well. Okay, so yeah, so these last little 3 things I got, I'm not gonna show them because, you know, they a little, you know, so, yeah, and, yeah, it's another thing behind that, but I don't want to show them. So now, I'm gonna try them on, see how they fit, especially these skirts, because I know everything else will pretty much fit me. Y'all my free stuff, but yeah, so those are all the clothes that I had got from RomWe, and I think they're the same company as Shein because like every time I order from them, like something might be in this bag. So I think they are pretty much the same company. They have like same concepts and everything, which is cool. So yeah, but that is it. That is all. Thank you for tuning in to my unboxing, try on, haul, whatever, from this company. I order from them all the time, and I think, yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing videos like this. I'm working on more stuff. I'm gonna drop a video talking about my experience at Georgia State University perimeter, how that was, and like how school started off for me, and like how it is going to school now with this whole pandemic and everything going on, and just everything. So thanks for tuning in, and I will catch y'all on the next video, whatever it is. So y'all have a good night, morning, evening, afternoon. Be blessed and stay high. Alright, one more thing. I put my glasses on, but these bags, like, I would say, like, if you order from a company or whatever and they give you like these nice little bags, they send clothes in them nice little bags like that, like, keep them, because they're great when you go and travel, because you can have your whole outfit, right? Your shirt, your pants, underwear, all that, whatever, what you want to wear with what, you can have all that in one bag. So it's like, me personally, right, and I'm not the only one, but when I travel, like, I might switch up my fit a little bit, or I might bring like extra options, you know. Okay, if I don't want to wear this, I wear this, blah blah blah. But I mean, it's great to have, so you can be more organized with your clothes and stuff, and even like your lotions and liquids and whatever. Like if you're flying or you're driving somewhere, whatever, it's good to have these bags, because, excuse me, you can put stuff in there and it just helps create more room, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, you can put your shoes and stuff in there and not have to worry about, oh, my shoes dirty, I gotta put them on the top, I gotta put them on the bottom, I gotta, you know. And then when you have dirty clothes, you travel and you have dirty clothes and you like, dang, I need a bag, because it's always good to put your bag in your bag. Put your clothes in a bag while you're traveling so that you don't mix up the dirty with the clean clothes. But, you know, it's good to have that, you know, for several reasons. So I just wanted to say that before I like shut down this video. I had thought about it, like, you know what, let me tell you folks real quick. But yes, so that's all I wanted to share. But like I said, it's late and I'm still up and I need to go to bed. So I will holler at y'all, whatever. I'm gonna get at y'all another video, and y'all just stay tuned and just continue to support and spread my videos, get people to subscribe and watch my videos, and to tell a friend, tell a family member, whatever, you know, trying to get my numbers up. And I know I need to post more, and I'm working on that. So without further ado, I'm about to go. Okay, I got a big day tomorrow, so I will talk to y'all later. Okay, and y'all get some rest, don't be up late. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.